Alright, so how would you change directories inside the terminal? To do it inside the graphical user interface is pretty simple. You just basically go and click into the directory and you're basically now moved into that directory. But how would you do that inside a terminal? So it's pretty straightforward. You have the cd command to do that. So cd stands for change directory. So if you wanted to cd into the downloads directory, for example, it's as simple as just cd and then the directory you're moving into. And as you can see, it tells you that now we're in the downloads directory. So if we needed to move back, it's pretty straightforward. cd dot dot. And you do 2 dots to move back into the previous directory you were in. So there you go. We are now back into our home directory. It's really simple, really straightforward command. Much like the other commands that we've seen, with the cd command, you don't have to be in whatever directory. You can move from anywhere in the file system. You can move from this current home directory into the root directory, and then from the root directory you can move back into the downloads directory. So let's see how that works. So let's move into the root directory. We are now in the root directory, so we can do pwd to show you real quick. We're in the root directory. So now let's move into the downloads directory. So cd/home/taco/downloads. And you can see we are in the downloads directory. So you can see we don't have to, it's pretty simple to move around with the cd command. You just kind of have to know where you're at, which is pwd command comes in very handy to do that. And you just kind of have to know the absolute path to wherever it is you're trying to move into. Another cool little thing about the cd command is that you can easily move back into the previous directory you're in just with the dot dot. So if here we want to move back into our home directory, just dot dot, and we're back into our home directory. It's really straightforward, really simple. If you need to know more about the cd command, you can always do space -- help. And there we go. It gives you different options about it. It tells you more about the command itself. It's really easy command, and it's just a matter of just knowing where you're at and into what directory you want to move into. It's pretty straightforward.